So just arrived the village named Kullam. So from here the next journey will be started. So the next journey means, yes, the journey to waterfall Dudhsagar. Okay, so from here we'll be starting the journey for Dudhsagar. So here we'll be taking a jeep and then directly for the Dudhsagar. So welcome to my channel. This is Neel. As you know that I'm a travel blogger, so please, if you are new in this channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, then a big thumbs up and share my video and make some comments. If you want to know, if you want to have any, if you have any doubts, just let me know. So let me show you the place. It's very crowded at the morning, and this is a place where everybody is coming, and they will take the jeep and then directly going for the Dudhsagar Falls.
So my friends, let the journey begin from Beach, Goa to one of the beautiful waterfall, that is Dudhsagar Falls.
So there you can see the counters. So from this counter you can do the booking, and then you can go directly from here to the Dudhsagar Falls. So from Panjim or from Belagavi, it takes 2 hours to 2 hours 15 minutes almost, and then you reach over here. So my friends, I have just entered in the jeep, and now it's time for Dudhsagar. Yes. So keep watching. I will show you the videos. So this is the place where you can take the tickets, and then a right turn. So my friends, finally have arrived to Dudhsagar Falls. Around 45 minutes driving by this jeep, and then you will be arriving at Dudhsagar Falls. So let me show you the entrance. Look at that. You can see some monkeys over here also. So while driving you will get one life jacket, and then a lot of cars are waiting over here. So from here there is one way. This is the way. 10 minutes of journey by walk. The forest is very dense, I think, and then the life there. So you can see a lot of jeep SUVs are waiting here. So it's given that life jacket is compulsory, so you need to have the life jacket, which I have also, and then you need to just walk and walk. There are some stairs. So you can see a lot of people are coming by that small bridge. Okay, so my friends, some more information from my side. Actually, suppose if you are coming by walk full road, if you are not going to take the jeep, then it takes 3 hours almost. So what I was saying, so if you are not going to take the jeep, then you can come by walk, just like trekking, and you will get the facility of toilets and all, everything on the way. And secondly, you don't need to pay the jeep. If you're not going to take the jeep, then you don't need to pay the jeep rent, that which is 500 bucks. So look at that, the forest. So this is just a small trekking actually, and so you can see that there are many children and old people are also coming, so it's not a big deal. You can easily come and you can enjoy the trek route also. So as I'm just walking, it takes more or less 15 minutes from the main base to this point. And now the beautiful view, check this out. So my friends, if you really like this video, please make a big thumbs up and subscribe it if you are new in this channel. Please don't forget to share it with your friends, family and relatives. And if you have any doubts, any questions, please make a comment. Till then, bye-bye. Peace.
Hey my friends, the time has arrived to back to my home from beautiful Dudhsagar Falls.
So my friends, I will be showing you Dudhsagar Falls again from the train, because now I am traveling by train, so falls will be coming after some time. So my friends, this is the same place where Chennai Express movie was shooted. Okay, this is the same railway bridge. This is the Chennai Express. That train crossed. Okay, so the same route I am following, but it is not for Chennai. It is for Pune. Okay, so maybe it will be coming after some time. Till then, please be patient. Let me show you the outside. Bye.